Mid-morning selling, like we talked about in pre-market. This is the bull right here, folks. Let's make so you know it. TQQQ, that's the bull. MMTs. We talked about this morning, and this one here is the bear. And the bear is breaking harder, and we are short. And the bull that we talked about in pre-market, short the bull. Short the bull and go long the bear off the bottom. Refer to your 930 pre-market and going long the bottom. And here, let's populate the lines in there for you. Let's go to 20 deltas. Okay. So that one's priced in. So what I want to tell you, once again, go to your 930 pre-market. When this is breaking higher, it's time to be short all day long. Equities are weak. Don't try to buy dips when you're breaking out here until you finally hit the bottom here and this finally gets its top. Do not go against the trend. Do not even try to buy a bottom when you're breaking out. MMTs in pre-market, we talked about shorting those equities. These equities are bloated. They've had big trends. Here's the bear breakout, the bull breakdown, shorting the bull, going long the bear. Here it is, right here, live, in action. Man, we went straight up to those highs. Look at the breakout off of that 3-minute bar. Right there. They gapped that thing down to nothing. Here, let's populate the trend lines for you. You know, it does get exciting because MMTs are live in these trades. So basically, what we're going to look at here is that high is where Peter Brady is trying to sell short. And this low now, so if we get made low here, if we get made in price here, and we top out here, it would be time to short this. But this has got to change around. This goes higher. This one will go lower. So it'd be time, intraday. It's finally, the bull has got clear down here. It went from 114.40 all the way down here. And this broke out. Oh, boy. The breakout happened right around 42.48 all the way up here. That's a $2 move almost. And it was all the way up there to them highs. So if this breaks down, this will go higher off the lows. So there'll be a time where you sell here and you start buying here. Or you buy here and hold that. So if this goes in you a little bit lower, it doesn't matter because you're already making money on the short. You just start buying the bottom. This big trade was the trade on 9/30. Today's date is 9/30 September. And pre-market. Go look at our pre-market analysis. Go look at what we were talking about. Selling short the bull and going long the bear. And we did. And it's paying. And it pays all the time. However, when this falls weak, this is going to get strong and it'll be time to go long that and short that. Peter Brady shorting that right up there on that down tick below 95. And the alerts are clear. He was at 100. He was at 100 in here. And basically, he's got to keep falling that way. If this builds to go higher, then this one will come down. That's just the ranges today. Straight down, straight up. Intraday low here, intraday top here. Time, the market's been open 1 hour and a half. 8:03 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Bull, bear trades. Short the bull, go long the bear. That's what we did. We talked about it in pre-market before the bell rang and how to trade it before the opening bell. And go back and look at those. And we'll tag these two videos with that as well. I can show you, if you'd like to see, there's the QQQ's prints right there. And basically, the other gentleman, SQQQ, that's the bear. That's the bear move right here. So you can see the level 2. You can see the low was 42.37 and it just made a high. This one just made a low at 109.52. And that's how they make their market moves and their market action. So it's time to be long here and selling into that. Once again, doing the exact precise top here and low here. Buy the low. You're already made the short here. So now you're buying long. You already shorted that down. That was your first trade. Your second trade is to go long here and start cashing it in. This is how these work, and it'll work this way every morning. Every morning. And I'm breaking back higher here. All right, on the SSQ right here, right now, thank you, that the bear made another high there in that last cycle of 44.39. Right up at there, at that high. That's that bear move. Now, as far as the bull move goes, that's just the opposite of this one. You can see here that we're about to make another lower low on the TQQQ. And this thing is still throttling at 90, above 95. That means that stocks are weak and the shorts are working. You can see we just made a high here. So when the bear is definitely breaking out and equities are breaking down. So you sell short equities when bears break out and bulls break down. And that bull just made another low at 109.37.